Hello guys, I'm Harrison, and there's this perception that car buying process is complex, but that's not true. So I'm going to give you four payment option which you can utilize when you want to buy a car. And our car, let's say, is retailing for 1 million. So option number one is the cash option. Number two, we have hire purchase. Number three, we have asset financing. And number four, we have trading. Let's get to number one. Number one, if a car is retailing for 1 million, then you just have to go to the showroom, select the car you need for that 1 million, pay the showroom the 1 million, and you go with your car and your logbook. Very straightforward option. Number two, we have hire purchase. Hire purchase works this way. You have to have a deposit and you will remain paying the installment. So if a car is retailing for, let's say, 1 million, so there is that every showroom will accept a given percentage as deposit, but most of the showrooms will accept 50% or more. That means the minimum you will need to get a car retailing for 1 million is 500,000, and that doesn't mean that the maximum is 500 too. You can pay as much as you need, as long as you are not paying the full amount. Most of people will have a 500,000 as deposit, others will have 700,000 as deposit, and others will have 900,000 as deposit and clear the 100,000 in, let's say, a month or 2 or 3 months. That's the next option. So that what it means for the hire purchase, the logbook, the ownership, just as all the hire purchase option, the logbook remains with the showroom. Until you clear the balance is when the full ownership will be given to you. So that's number two. Number three, we have asset financing, and this is mostly is done by the banks and microfinance company. So let's say you have around slightly lower than 50%, which doesn't qualify you for hire purchase. Then you can have an option of going for asset financing. Most banks will actually finance up to 100%. That means you just need a good bank statement, financial transaction, and the bank can decide if it will finance you 100%. Other banks will actually finance you something which will afford. Other banks will finance you, let's say, to 80%. So if a car is retailing for 1 million, the bank will ask you to pay around 200,000, and it will cater for the 800,000. But not that. When you buy your car on loan, you have to clear the loan first so that you can get the logbook. Literally, in other words, the asset belongs to the bank until the date when you clear the balance. Number four, and this is mostly if you have a car, you just don't need to look for a customer to buy the car, then you go to the showroom to buy another car. Okay, let's do this. A car is retailing for 1 million, and you have an older car which retail its value is at 500,000. So instead of looking for a buyer to buy the car at 500,000, then going with the money to the showroom, this is what you can do. You can get a car retailing for the 1 million, and you bring the car with the 500,000. So another advantage of the trading is that you don't have it reduces you the task of looking for buyers, which in most times is tiresome. So guys, if you are looking for a car, those are some of the options you can use. So guys, make sure you follow me. Next time, if you have a car, I will give you tips of ensuring your car is running nicely and things to avoid when you buy a car. Thank you.